Have you ever wondered how to earn money online? Imagine a platform that allows you to do just that in an array of fun and engaging ways. Enter TimeBucks, a rewards portal that is not only free to join but also offers a plethora of methods for you to earn. This is the world of get paid to sites, and TimeBucks is a standout star. One of the most popular methods of earning on TimeBucks is through paid surveys. Companies are eager to hear your opinion on their products and services and are willing to pay for it. Share your thoughts and earn. It's as simple as that. Next, there's the option to watch videos. From ads to short films, you can make money by simply viewing content. It's like turning your hobby into a paycheck. Then we have offer walls. These are essentially a collection of different offers from advertisers. You complete an action like downloading an app or signing up for a service and you get paid. Content options are another way to earn. You can get paid to post on TikTok or to grow a beard. Yes, you heard it right. The tasks are as diverse as they are interesting. Another method to earn is through microtasks. These are small, simple tasks that you can complete in a short amount of time. They might not pay much individually, but the earnings can add up quickly. For those who love shopping, TimeBucks offers cash back when shopping online. You can earn a percentage of your purchase back, which can then be withdrawn as cash. Moreover, you can invite people to join TimeBucks. Each person who signs up using your referral link can earn you a commission. TimeBucks also runs a weekly sweepstake where you can win up to $500. All you need to do to enter is to complete tasks on the site. For those who enjoy a quick task, you can solve CAPTCHAs. It's a simple and quick way to earn a few bucks. The daily contest is another exciting feature. The top earners of the day win additional cash prizes. For the gamers out there, TimeBucks offers the option to earn by playing games. Choose from a variety of games and start earning. Last but not least, you can view funny photos and get paid. It's as entertaining as it is rewarding. In conclusion, TimeBucks is a legitimate, easy-to-use platform with a multitude of earning options. So why wait? Sign up for TimeBucks today and turn your time into money. It's time to earn. It's time for TimeBucks.